All right, so we're going to start working with surface area. For both problems on number 5, you're going to be asked for the lateral and total surface area of the figures. So in this case, it's a prism, just like your examples. And just like your examples, I have also notated what my base is, and that has been highlighted in yellow on here and also on your examples. Now, for lateral surface area, if you look on the formula sheet, this is prism. It's going to be the first one under lateral. It's going to be S equals big P times H. That big P represents the perimeter, which means how long would a ribbon have to be to go around this box? The length of the outside. So this side is 4 centimeters. This side is 4 centimeters, which means this side is 4 centimeters. And this side is also 4 centimeters. So you would simply add all those sides together. Side plus side plus side plus side. So S equals 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So I have all the sides, which is the perimeter. That's how you would find it. And then you need to multiply that by the height. The height is shown on your diagram, which is the one that is not associated with the base. And that is going to be, in our example, 6 centimeters. That's our H. This is going to apply for both the total and lateral, by the way. So our height would be 6. Now, you're going to go ahead and go through and follow the steps of PEMDAS. So we're going to do the parentheses first, because we do have parentheses with something to do in there. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 16. So S equals 16 times 6. We do not have any exponents, and our last step here is to multiply. So 16 times 6 is 96. So the surface area for the lateral surface area of this prism is 96, and the measurement is going to be centimeters squared because it's area. Remember, when you're entering your answer, to only enter that number on the Google form. Now we're going to go ahead and solve for the total surface area of this prism. So if you look at your formula sheet, the total surface area formula is S equals big P times H, just like what we had for the lateral, but you're going to add to big B. Remember, the big B is the area of the base. So we already know what our base is, so we need to find the area of the base. In order to find the area of a square or a rectangle, you multiply them together, length times width. So area equals length times width. So in this case, it would be 4 times 4 to give us big B. 4 times 4, we already know, is 16. So we found already through lateral surface area that our perimeter, or P, has the value of 16. That is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 times H. The height is 6 plus 2, and then the B, which is the area of the base, which we just found, is 16. So 2 times 16. Now that we have substituted in all of our values, we can go ahead and start solving. We don't have any parentheses and no exponents, so next we're going to start multiplying. So anywhere we can multiply, we're going to go ahead and do that. So first, I'm going to rewrite it. Oh, I don't know why I'm doing that. Hold on. I just had a total brain fart and wrote P instead of S when we know it should be S because we're finding the surface area, not the perimeter. My B. So anyways, we are going to go ahead and go through. We already did 16 times 6, so we found that to be 96. We're going to keep that plus sign because we haven't touched it yet. And then 2 times 16 is 32. We don't have anywhere to divide. Now we're just going to add. So the surface area, when adding 96 plus 32, gives me a total of 128. And again, this is going to be in centimeters squared because it is area. But when you're entering your answer on the Google form, please only put the number. I hope this helps.